Good morning, students. Welcome back to our virtual library class. Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations can never be complete without modaks served with a drizzle of ghee. Modak, also known as kozakattai in Tamil, modaka in Kannada, and kudumu in Telugu, is one of the most popular sweets in Maharashtra, especially made and consumed during Ganesh Chaturthi. According to Hindu mythology, Ganesh was fond of eating sweets and modaks was one of his favorites. 21 modaks are offered to Lord Gajanan as bhog and served as prasad. Modaks are either steamed or fried dumplings made from refined flour, and the fillings include grated coconut and jaggery with a hint of nutmeg. From Lord Ganesha's homecoming to bidding his goodbye, devotees offer various sweets and savories to him. Modaks make the most prominent prasad of the festival. This Ganesh Chaturthi, let's hear the story behind why Ganesha loved modaks. Lord Shiva once visited Anusuya at her home in the forest. He was seated for a meal next to young Ganesh. Lord Shiva was famished and asked to be served food immediately. Anusuya, however, said he would have to wait for Bal Ganesh to be served food first, and she would serve Lord Shiva only once Ganesh's hunger had been satiated. Lord Shiva controlled his ire and waited while Bal Ganesh was served a variety of food items. Ganesh, a voracious eater, happily ate all that was served to him, but his hunger was insatiable. Even his mother, goddess Parvati, was astonished at the sight of her young son's insatiable hunger. Realizing that Lord Shiva would remain hungry due to Ganpati's hunger, Anusuya served him a single piece of sweetened food. Upon consuming this, Ganesh gave a loud burp, hence indicating that his stomach was finally full. Surprisingly, Lord Ganesha's burp found company in Lord Shiva's not one but 21 burps. Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesha simultaneously said that they had had their fill and did not want more food. Goddess Parvati was curious to know what the sweetened food item was that Anusuya had served Bal Ganesh. On learning that it was a modak, Goddess Parvati expressed her wish that devotees of Lord Ganesh should always offer modaks to him, and this wish has since been granted across generations and locations. Thus, this grand 10-day celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi is incomplete without modaks. It is a traditional and most popular sweets in Maharashtra, especially served to Lord Ganesha during Ganesh Chaturthi. Lord Ganesha loves modak, that is why he is also known as Modak Priya, which stands for the one who loves modak. Now we know why Lord Ganesha is offered with his favorite sweet dish of modak. Thank you and have a wonderful day, all of you. Goodbye.